We headed back to the centre of Pristina. We had set out to prove how easy it was to get hold of illegal weapons. And we bought the terrorists' #1 weapon of choice, Semtex. But we needed more evidence on the man who was the source of it, Hulji. We snuck in the back so that Sinbad would think that we were still staying at the Grand Hotel.
This is very special. The best Jameson
from Irish whiskey.
Irish whiskey.
We hoped a bottle of Irish whiskey and our Bono forgery would draw him out.
Inscription in here from the man himself, Bono, who I personally know. And it says, "Peace in Pristina. Hope you find what you're looking for. Lots of love, Bono, 2003."
Great.
So I hope that's a token of our respect.
No, yeah.
Relaxed, Sinbad lowered his guard. He soon let slip that he wasn't just a middleman, but a player.
One of the guys missing. Police guys have him, and I'm telling you, one of the guys is missing for 3-4 days. 3 days. One of the guys. And but he has already tell everything, you know. But
will he come back alive now?
He was not. No. I said to Hulji, I don't want him killed. I want just to tell what the things are, you know. But I think that it will be okay, because I had a problem in Pristina once with a friend of mine, with somebody who has done something bad to him, and we kept him for 2 days in the basement. He has.
Great. Thanks.
Whatever he has done in there.
Sinbad's story of kidnap and torture changed everything. It was time to plan our exit strategy, but we still tried one last time for a meeting with Hulji.
So what do you think might be on the agenda tomorrow? To see Hulji.
Just one thing, Michael, you are 100% safe.
The Judas kiss. I knew my days in Kosovo were numbered.